నార్త్ ఇండియాలో ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్పై ఆందోళన వ్యక్తం చేశారు లోక్సభ విపక్ష నేత రాహుల్ గాంధీ. దీన్ని జాతీయ అత్యవసర పరిస్థితిగా అభివర్ణించారు. రాబోయే పార్లమెంట్ వింటర్ సమావేశాల్లో పరిష్కార మార్గాలు కనుగొనాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు. దీనికి సహచర ఎంపీలు ముందుకు రావాలని పిలుపునిచ్చారు. ఇది రాజకీయ విమర్శలకు టైం కాదన్నారు. వాయు కాలుష్యంతో చిన్నారులు, వృద్ధులు అనారోగ్యం బారిన పడుతున్నారన్నారు. ఈ మేరకు ఎక్స్లో పోస్ట్ చేశారు రాహుల్.
वी आर एट इंडिया गेट, हम इंडिया गेट पे हैं और एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स जो अभी मॉनिटर्स कह रहा है वो 396 है, जो कि क्लोज टू सिवियर है, वेरी पुअर है एक्चुअली, विच इज़ एक्चुअली वी शुड फील बेटर दैट वी आर एक्चुअली ब्रीदिंग वेरी पुअर क्लोज टू सिवियर एयर.
तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है दिल्ली में, इसके कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं? ये मतलब कोई लोग कहते हैं कि किसान खेत जला देते हैं, कोई और कहता है पटाखे हैं, मगर एक चीज़ तो नहीं हो सकती. ये अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, तो इसका कितनी ब्लेम कहाँ जानी चाहिए?
तो देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये सिर्फ दिल्ली की समस्या नहीं है, ये दिस इज़ अ नॉर्थ इंडियन प्रॉब्लम, इनफैक्ट पैन इंडिया की समस्या है. अगर हम दिल्ली एनसीआर के बारे में बात करें तो दो तरह के सोर्सेस हैं. एक है एपिसोडिक सोर्सेस, जो कि मतलब इवेंट्स हम कहते हैं, जैसे फार्म फायर्स हो गए या फिर पटाखे हो गए. And then there are perennial sources, which is sources of pollution which is 365 days. And then also to blame the farmers mostly for this mess, the air mess that we are in. And therefore, why are we disproportionately only talking about farm fires? Indeed, that needs to be stopped. So, every data that we have says 50% प्रदूषण जो है एयर के एम्बिएंट क्वालिटी, दिल्ली के एम्बिएंट एयर क्वालिटी का कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो व्हीकुलर पोल्यूशन, विच इज लार्जली प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन, डिमोलिशन, डस्ट, roadside dust, that's another 30%.
I've been having breathing issues, it's and eyes burning and stuff. And last 1 week has been terrible.
Yeah. When we talk about 10 to 12 years of life expectancy, morbidity, people's ability to perform, work hard, that's huge.
The damage is taking place throughout the year. But people only realize it for a month.
वो दिखता है.
Right? I even tell my mother, you have to leave town in this month, but actually
it's throughout the year. यहाँ पे अभी क्या होता है कि of course because of meteorological conditions the air quality index peaks.
So the damage is being done throughout.
200 AQI अगर आपको लगता है कि अच्छा है, अच्छी हवा है, तो हाँ 200 में हम पूरे साल रहते हैं, और अभी हम 900, 1500, 1700 वीक मतलब टॉक्सिक एयर का कंकॉक्शन हम ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं.
Another question, how much would it cost to fix it?
If we talk about have that kind of money, and is there money for public transport, is there money for construction, demolition, waste disposal, or for road construction? As in, imagine if the roads are not being built, or roads were starting to be built a month ago, and they're broken. They're broken not because there's no money. There is misgovernance somewhere.
The issue, I mean, I fly around most of North India. It's actually almost in hundreds of kilometers.
Absolutely. So that's why I said it's a regional problem. The smog cover that you saw day before is पूरे North India पे है, Indo-Gangetic Plain पे है, वो wind direction है. So of course, और उसमें लाहौर की भी हवा है और अमृतसर की भी हवा है. Imagine a country like China and a city like Beijing, so polluted, so secretive.
Were they at our level at any point?
They absolutely. For that matter, LA, for that matter, London. They were able to transform it because they understood that, nothing doing. We need to pause certain developmental activities. So they've changed their mobility regime, their transport regime, in terms of public transport, shifted out. Absolute no compromise, and shifted out certain industries.
Is Delhi the worst, or are there some people who are worse than us?
Most polluted capital indeed, Delhi. Currently, the worst city in India. They're worse than. In fact, truth is, and for you, because you're not a leader only of Delhi, it's a national problem. There are many cities that don't even measure.
So if we are going to solve it, of course, there's short term to it, and then long and medium term. What would you say are the three most important things to do?
So I'll say that
you said vehicular traffic.
Not just for Delhi, but Delhi and Gurgaon, and we need to start looking at Delhi not just as NCT, but as NCR. But in the immediate 300-kilometer radius of Delhi, there are a dozen coal thermal power plants. Gradually, we need to remove
What percentage of the problem are they?
We don't even know what data is. As there's been so many studies commissioned by various governments. As in, government doesn't even tell us what we're breathing. The air quality monitors, half the time they don't work. When they work, they peak out at 500. When you and I are breathing 1500. अगर आपके हर तीसरे बच्चे को सांस लेने में तकलीफ है और पल्मोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर है, अगर दिल्ली में रहने वाले हर एक इंसान का 10 से 12 साल कम होता है, इससे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या हो सकता है? ब्रॉडर रोड्स एंड फैंसियर मॉल्स versus
You're killing yourself, so what does it matter?
So quality of life should be more important than standard of living. So
बट आई नोटिस आपने मेंशन नहीं किया, किसानों की बात आपने की नहीं।
किसानों का कंट्रीब्यूशन एयर पोल्यूशन में शायद 3 हफ्ते तक होता है, वो भी 0% से 25%, कभी कभी 30%, बिकॉज इट्स अ फार्म फायर्स आर बैड, स्टबल बर्निंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम, बट इट्स ओनली इज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर 3 वीक्स एंड दो, और वो भी समस्या इसलिए है क्योंकि उनको जो इंसेंटिव्स देने चाहिए सरकार को, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एनवायरमेंटल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैन नॉट बी गिवन ओनली टू द पोरेस्ट ऑफ द पुअर। मतलब आप अपने लाइफस्टाइल में चेंज ना लाएं, लेकिन आप चाहें कि जो उनके लिए दे आर डूइंग इट फॉर लाइफ